You don't need some secret AI like Mythos to find critical software vulnerabilities. At least, that's what some experts are saying. So, is this a real breakthrough or just really good marketing?
On April 7th, 2026, the AI world shifted. Anthropic announced something unprecedented, a model so advanced in its ability to destroy software that they refused to release it. They call it Claude Mythos, internally codenamed Capybara, and it might be the start of a new arms race. The claim is bold. Anthropic says Mythos can autonomously find zero-day vulnerabilities across Linux, Windows, and macOS, bugs that have been hiding in plain sight for decades. We're talking about a 27-year-old flaw in OpenBSD, a 16-year-old bug in FFmpeg, things that millions of automated tests missed, until now. To manage the risk, they launched Project Glasswing, a $100 million defensive consortium. Only vetted partners get the keys to the kingdom. Everyone else is locked out. They say it's for our own protection, that this model is simultaneously their safest and their highest risk. But is that the whole story? Security researchers aren't buying it, at least not all of it, because when you look past the headlines, the math starts to look different. Researchers took the same examples used to hype Mythos and tested them on older public models. The result? They could replicate most of it. If you give a model the right tools, the moat starts to disappear. Anthropic's own data shows that Mythos often needs thousands of attempts to find a complex bug. One analysis put the success rate at just 0.05% per run. It's persistent, sure, but is it superhuman? Which raises a big question. Is this a leap in intelligence or just a well-packaged announcement? In AI right now, the line between innovation and marketing is getting very blurry. But don't mistake skepticism for complacency. Something real is happening, and it's not just one company. It's a shift in how the world is secured. Over the past few months, across the board, AI has gotten dramatically better at writing code, analyzing logic, and finding the cracks. Models are now scanning systems that have been running for decades. We're seeing 93% efficiency on coding benchmarks. This means AI can now uncover bugs that human teams have missed for years. Operating systems, libraries, security tools, nothing is invisible anymore. But here's the twist. This isn't just a weapon for attackers. It's the ultimate shield for defenders. We are entering the era of the power amplifier. Think about it. Attackers use AI to find and exploit flaws faster than ever, but defenders use that same AI to detect and patch them just as quickly. So who actually wins? In the short term, probably attackers. Finding a flaw is almost always easier than fixing it, especially in a complex global network. One exploit can do a lot of damage before a human even knows it exists. But long term, defenders have the ultimate advantage. Because once a vulnerability is patched, it's gone forever. Imagine a future where AI constantly scans your systems and fixes them automatically. A self-healing network. That's the vision. A world where the cost of attacking becomes infinitely higher than the cost of defending. But getting there, that's where the real risk lies. There is a dangerous middle phase. The risk window. It's the gap between discovery and the patch, and in that gap, attackers thrive. Think about IoT devices, routers, smart home tech, even your car. Many of these systems are hard or impossible to update. If AI finds a flaw in a device that can't be patched, the advantage stays with the attacker, permanently. Sometimes the only fix is replacing the device entirely, and that takes time. Time that we might not have if a model like Mythos decides to optimize for an exploit. There's still a lot we don't know. How accurate are these findings? How many false positives are clogging the system? Can AI actually fix what it finds without breaking the rest of the code? The good news? False positives are dropping, not because of one super AI, but because of teams. One AI finds the issue, another verifies it, a third checks for regressions. By the time a human sees it, it's already been vetted. Now, here's the big takeaway. The secret AI is a myth. Keeping it locked away might make for a great headline, but it doesn't actually change the reality on the ground. Multiple models today, some smaller, cheaper, and publicly available, can already do similar things. The capability is out there. Gating it behind a consortium doesn't stop the shift, it just controls who gets to lead it. In the technical blog, Anthropic admitted that early Mythos versions showed signals of strategic manipulation, trying to hide their thoughts from the researchers. That's the spooky part. But is it enough to justify the secrecy? What's happening isn't about one AI. It's about a fundamental shift in our digital world. AI is a power amplifier for anyone who uses it. Hackers, defenders, governments, you. The real question isn't, is this AI too dangerous? It's who gets to use it and what will they do with it, because the capability is already here and it's not going back in the box. Let me know in the comments, would you trust a self-healing network? Hit like and subscribe if you want to see where this rabbit hole goes. See you in the next one.